London, beneath the noise of traffic, crowded streets, and flashing neon lights, there is a tunnel that does not appear on any modern map. Official records say it was sealed in the late 1980s. Transport authorities deny it exists, but CCTV footage, leaked reports, and missing persons case suggest otherwise because there is one rule associated with it. If you enter the tunnel, time stops for 13 minutes, and when you come out, you are no longer the same. The first documented case surfaced in 1991. A maintenance worker named Paul Everett was assigned to inspect old underground services lines beneath central London after reports of extreme electrical disturbances. His team entered a tunnel marked as inactive. According to security logs, everything was normal for the first 14 minutes, then something changed. At 2:17 a.m., CCTV cameras captured Paul walking deeper into an unregistered corridor, a section of the tunnel that did not exist on the official blueprint. His radio transmission came in fragmented. There's another passage here. It wasn't here before. Control room asked him to return immediately, but Paul replied, "I think I hear something like people talking." Then the signal cut for exactly 13 minutes. CCTV continued recording, but something strange happened. Paul stopped moving, not collapsed, not walking, just standing still in the tunnel, completely motionless, like time itself had frozen. Then at 2:30 a.m., he suddenly moved again and walked out. When he returned to the surface, his team noticed something immediately. He looked older, not slightly, but significantly. His hair had turned partially grey. His hands were shaking, and he kept repeating one sentence, "I was only gone for a moment." Medical tests confirmed something impossible. Biological aging markers showed that over 6 years of time had passed inside his body, but only minutes had passed outside. Paul was hospitalized for psychological evaluation. He died 2 weeks later due to rapid cellular deterioration. His final words were, "13 minutes isn't empty time." After this incident, authorities attempted to seal the tunnel completely, but the location itself became inconsistent. Some maps showed it, others reached it. Maintenance crews report hearing footsteps inside sealed concrete walls, and CCTV system near underground stations began malfunctioning every night at exactly 2:17 a.m. Then came disappearances. Between 1995 and 2008, 12 workers vanished while inspecting underground structures near the same region. No bodies were ever recovered. Only one item was consistently found near access point. Stopwatches frozen at exactly 13 minutes. In 2016, a group of urban explorers gained attention online after claiming they had found the tunnel entrance beneath an abandoned maintenance shaft. near the Thames lines. They live streamed their descent. At first, everything seemed normal: rusty metal walls, broken lights, deep silence. But at 2:17 a.m., their cameras began to glitch. Audio distorted. Then one of them said, "The tunnel just got longer." The group continued forward despite warning from viewers. Then suddenly the entrance behind them disappeared on camera. No blocked, no collapsed, just gone. As if it had never existed, panic spread through the ground. Flashlights flickered and then time stopped, at least according to the live stream timestamp. For 13 minutes, nothing moved. No sound, no camera motion, no breathing, just stillness. Viewers watching live reported extreme discomfort, nausea, and device failures during that exact time window. Then at 2:30 a.m., the live stream resumed, but only one explorer remained visible. He walked toward the camera slowly. His face was unrecognized, older, eyes sunken, skin pale. He whispered, "We met the others." Then the stream ended. The remaining group members were never found. Authorities dismissed the footage as editing or psychological manipulation, but engineers analyzed the data confirmed something disturbing. The timestamp gap was real, exactly 13 minutes of missing time. In 2022, an investigative journalist named Daniel Harris attempted to verify the phenomena. He entered the underground network with military-grade time-sync recording devices. At 2:17 a.m., all his instruments began malfunctioning simultaneously. His recorded audio captured only static at first, then a voice, "Don't move." Daniel ignored the warning. He continued walking. His final camera footage showed he's entering a long, narrow tunnel that slowly begins to distort visibly. Walls appear to stretch. Distance becomes unclear. Then his voice, "I think I am going in circles." Silence. 13 minutes of missing footage. When recording resumed, Daniel was sitting against a wall, crying, repeating, "They are still there." He returned to the surface with severe neurological damage. He was unable to recognize family members and claimed he had lived years underground. He died shortly after. Today, the tunnel beneath London remains officially unacknowledged, but underground workers still report anomalies: elevators that stop for no reason, corridors that feel longer than they should, and clocks that froze for exactly 13 minutes. Some believe it is a structural anomaly, others believe it is a time fracture, a place where reality folds incorrectly. But those who have studied the pattern closely agree on one thing: the tunnel does not just stop time, it takes something from it. And if you spend those 13 minutes inside, you may come back, but not as someone who belongs in this timeline anymore. So, if you ever hear about an unmarked entrance beneath London, and the clock nearby reads 2:17 a.m. Do not enter, do not enter, do not enter. Because when time stops for 13 minutes underground, it does not start the same way again.